Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a jump and kill mechanic which is very common in many platformer games, and as you can see this is final result of this tutorial. For this tutorial I am going to use this mushroom model which is available for free on Sketchfab and it's published by Rick Hoffman. And I am going to put the download link of this model in description. Another asset I'm using in this tutorial is this animation that I have created myself. First, I create a palm blueprint and name it mushroom underscore BP. I add a skeletal mesh and name it mushroom. Then I assign my mushroom model to this skeletal mesh. Now I add the capsule collision and scale it up to cover my whole skeletal mesh. I make my skeletal mesh a child of capsule collision. I set capsule collision preset to custom, then I set all to block and camera to ignore. Now I bring my mushroom to the scene, and as you can see I have a mushroom pawn that can block my character. Now I add a scene component to mushroom blueprint and name it a squash point. I set position of this squash point exactly on top of my character mesh. Now I open event graph and free some space to write codes. I select capsule component and from override functions I select hit. Now I add a branch node. Now I get my capsule component world location. Now I bring hit result and check impact point location is equal to location of a squash point. I set tolerance error to 20. From true part of branch I set capsule component collision to no collision. Then I add a play animation node for my skeletal mesh, for my mushroom skeletal mesh. Finally I cast to my third person character and run jump function. And for object wildcard, I choose player character. All of these blueprint codes from this part are available from link in description. I can easily copy them to your project. Now I run the game, and as you can see, this mechanic works perfectly. Now I create some duplicates from this blueprint with Ctrl and D and place them in the scene. From fall section of this branch, I should add my damage function, but in this tutorial I don't have any damage function, so I add a print string node. And as you can see, if I approach the mushroom from other sides, this damage print string will show up. If this tutorial was useful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.